Hello again. In this very brief video you will learn how to properly load 35mm film into a point-and-shoot camera and how to unload it, following 4 straightforward steps. Step 1. Most manual point-and-shoot film cameras like this Olympus XA2 feature a rewind lever on the left. Pulling it up releases the door latch and opens the back for film loading. Step 2. Insert your film and pull it onto the take-in spool, usually on the right side. Slide the film end into the spool slot. Use the film advance lever to align the slot for easier loading if needed. Once secured, advance the film, close the back door and advance twice more to set up the first unexposed frame. Step 3. After finishing your roll, press the rewind button on the bottom of the camera, then turn the rewind lever clockwise with the lens facing you until the film is fully rewound onto the canister and you feel no resistance. Step 4. Go and treat yourself to more film and start the cycle again.